10 ways to make money from home. The reality is that there are legitimate methods to earn money online. Millions of individuals do so every day. There are several business ideas you may explore at home utilizing your laptop and a stable internet connection, whether you're a freelance digital nomad, a skilled marketer, or a rising entrepreneur. Therefore, let us examine how to earn money online. The legitimate method. How to earn money online, 28 legitimate methods. 1. Start dropshipping. Let us begin our list with one of the most common methods of earning money online. According to Google Trends, dropshipping's popularity is rising at a quick pace, demonstrating its potential as a method of earning money online. With success stories like an entrepreneur who earned $6,667 in 8 weeks or a store owner who earned 6 figures selling just one product, there is plenty of evidence that dropshipping is a legitimate method to earn money online. For those who are unfamiliar with dropshipping, it is a business model in which you sell a product to a client, but the supplier stores, packages, and ships the goods on your behalf. 2. Experiment with print on demand. Print on demand is also becoming a popular alternative. To better monetize their work, graphic artists are turning to the business model of selling their designs on clothes and other goods. They may develop a consistent and established brand for their business through their distinctive designs. Print on demand is similar to dropshipping in that you are not required to maintain inventory or send items directly to clients. 3. Earn cash through affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is a very common method of earning money online. Although its popularity has fluctuated throughout the years, it has remained a steady method of earning money online. The wonderful aspect about affiliate marketing is that you can promote almost any brand, from Shopify to Amazon and Uber. Affiliate marketing enables you to make money by advertising other companies' products. If you are an experienced marketer, you may earn commissions on purchases by advertising retail items, software, and services, among other things. While a commission may seem insignificant, consider that you may be an affiliate for several businesses and use multiple affiliate links in a single blog article. 4. Begin your own YouTube channel. If others can profit from YouTube, you can as well. Your YouTube channel should be dedicated to a particular niche in order to cultivate a large, devoted following. For instance, you might produce beauty lessons, broadcast video games, review items, teach skills, or create prank films, among other things. The key to generating money on YouTube is to create educational or entertaining video that people want to watch. You may use a clever headline to attract people to watch, or you can utilize YouTube-optimized keywords. Once your channel reaches 1,000 subscribers, you may begin formally monetizing it with YouTube advertising. 5. Establish yourself as an influencer. Additionally, developing a personal brand might assist you in earning money online. To become an influencer, you must first develop a sizable following. YouTube and Instagram are the simplest sites for this. Numerous non-celebrity influencers have gotten their start on these sites. To earn money as an influencer, you can charge for sponsored posts and public appearances, open an online store and sell products, include affiliate links in your bio, sell your photos, sell advertisements on your own podcast, earn money as a brand ambassador, write a book, and earn money to appear at events. 6. Establish an online education program. Sharing information is one of the most effective methods of earning money online. If you are an expert in a certain field, you may monetize your expertise by developing online courses. You may sell your course on Udemy or on your own website if you already have a following. With online classes, some businesses earn up to $5,000 per month. To build a popular and effective course, the best strategy is to observe existing courses on your subject. Then browse the reviews. What are the characteristics that people admire, and what are the characteristics that people despise? Concentrate on generating material that addresses the most common concerns while imitating the positive parts that people praise. 7. Create an ebook. It's never been easier to publish an ebook than with Amazon KDP. Simply compose the ebook, format it, design an ebook cover, publish, and market it. In 2013, I published numerous ebooks on Amazon, all but one have since been removed, and while they didn't make me rich, they did earn me some money. You may engage a writer to write the ebook, a graphic designer to create the cover, or a freelancer to format the ebook for you, reducing the amount of effort needed. It's better to target keywords based on popular Amazon searches. I frequently utilize the keyword tool, which enables you to discover the terms people use while searching and then create a title around them. 8. Begin a blog. Blogging is one of the earliest forms of internet income. Individuals who enjoy writing frequently establish blogs with a specific specialty emphasis. For instance, a blog on procrastination, automobiles, dropshipping, or toys is frequently a tight enough focus to develop a dedicated audience while being broad enough to cover a lot of ground. 9. Take into account freelancing. The simplest method to earn money online is to quit your 9-to-5 job and work from home. For instance, whether you are a writer, administrative assistant, graphic designer, teacher, or developer, you may sell your services online and find consumers ready to pay for them. Additionally, there is an endless array of websites dedicated to each field of freelance work. For instance, freelance writers can apply for employment on specialized online writing job boards, as well as on general freelancing websites such as Fiverr, Freelancer, and Upwork. If your work does not provide direct online money-making opportunities, you might seek for alternative transferable talents you may possess. 10. Create an application. If you're not a developer, you're probably feeling a little lost when it comes to this money-making opportunity. Fortunately, there is a method for developing an app that does not require any programming knowledge. Nowadays, marketers use freelancing networks to connect with inexpensive developers that can design custom applications for them. When it comes to monetizing your software, the best course of action is to submit it to Google Play and the App Store. And, contrary to popular belief, having a free app can help you earn more than a premium app. With a free app, you may add advertisements or premium features to generate revenue. Because the free app will attract a larger number of users, it will be easier to upsell them. Conclusion: making money online can help you earn some additional money for a side hustle, but it can also let you quit your 9-to-5 work and pursue entrepreneurship full-time. By brainstorming online business ideas and deciding to establish one, you acquire financial independence, increase your financial stability, and get closer to living life on your terms. It is feasible to earn a living online if you work diligently and consistently. Which side business are you going to try first? Please subscribe to our channel if you found this video helpful. Thanks for watching.